Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry. So anyway, today we're going to be farming for super credits inside of Helldivers 2. And what is the secret, Cheek? What is what are we trying to aim for here?
Quick, fast, and easy missions.
So to that end, we're doing level 1s on bot missions. It doesn't really matter what you do. You can do bot missions, you can do bug missions. I guess you could do regular Illuminate missions when those come back, but it doesn't really make much of a difference. The whole objective is you pick a small map, a small level 1 map, because all of the points of interest are within like a 1-minute walk of all of each other. You go grab them, do the main objective, get out. It's super fast, and we've been averaging between like 20 to 50 super credits per round of just doing level 1s today.
Let them come. Let them brawl. Let them face the insurmountable might of the Helldivers.
Calling down support weapon.
So part of why we go around with things like jetpacks is it just makes the whole thing a lot quicker when you're running around. And the other nice thing about doing this on a level 1 mission as opposed to like whenever they start to open up and be slightly bigger maps is there's literally nothing that you have to deal with. You can just put on a podcast of whatever favorite nonsense you have, your favorite gaming podcast or whatever, and you can just run around and grab stuff. And they're all just kind of in a neat little circle around the middle objective, and that's it.
I found requesting sentry.
Now, ideally, you'd probably want to do this with at least one friend. Oh, here's some super credits already. Who's alive? That being kind of the caveat, just because you need one other person at least in order to open up bunkers if you find one that actually has good stuff in it.
To the skies! Found something!
Oh, hey, we've already gotten 20 super credits from this.
Nice.
And this is just to show you guys, we're going to film this whole episode in one go to show you how long it really takes you to complete one of these maps, so you actually know what time you're really going to be spending from start to finish.
Found something!
Gonna try and complete the objective.
Alright, sounds good.
Because this one is one of the longer ones.
Oh, it's the flag raise. I wasn't even paying attention when we got it.
Yeah. Normally you'd want something like destroy the broadcast tower,
Found something!
but it wasn't nice to us this time.
It happens. And that's going to change planet to planet and how many missions that you've done recently. And really, if I look at my mini-map right now, all of the objectives that we're looking for are going to be on the periphery. Pretty much none of them are going to be in this inner circle because there's not enough space between things for them to spawn more. Here we go. Here's a bunker for whatever he's done. But before we even bother to call him over, I'm going to actually check inside of the bunker. Is this a bunker? No, it's a broken bunker. Never mind. It's a pack of lies. I'm going to say, there is a way that you can check inside of a bunker. I've got a separate tutorial on that that's like less than a minute long, where you just look inside the bunker while you're laying on the ground with your main weapon out. And then if you look down the sights of that weapon, you can then see if there's any goodies inside worth your time.
Dropships! Calling down a
Now, if you really need them, you can also get common samples inside of these missions. They do drop, like, I don't know. This one's got 15 potential common samples, but me and my bud Cheek here, we've both got the maximum number of samples that we need. So we don't really need any more, and we've already unlocked everything, so we just kind of ignore them.
Alright, objective complete.
Yeah, we might have one more thingamabob.
No bunker this time.
Yeah, the only bunker was a fakie.
Yeah, you got that one.
Yep, looks like we're good to go. We can call it in and head to the next one. So we got like, what, 30, 40 super credits on that? I didn't actually count.
I think it was 40. 30?
So a pretty good haul for, you know, how long have we been in this mission? Like, not even 5 minutes. I think in total we'll probably spend 10 minutes in here just between, like, load screens and waiting for the Pelican to come pick us up.
Reloading.
ETA T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Now, one of the things we do that kind of makes this a little easier, even if we've got our packs on cooldown, is I've got Dead Sprint equipped and he's got Vitality. So you can kind of just infinity sprint if you want, so long as you've got stims. But you don't really need that. Again, these maps are so tiny that you can traverse this whole thing in like a couple minutes. The longest would be if I had to wait for Sheik to come over and help me with a bunker. And even then, that's like, what, 10, 15 seconds to get across this map?
Yeah, it's not like on harder missions where it's easier to just kill yourself and to get over there.
Admittedly, that is an option. You can just have your friend grenade themselves to get across the map quicker.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
The key is to just have the person who's running around have the jetpack. They can get around faster.
ETA T-minus 20 seconds. ETA T-minus 10 seconds. This is Pelican 1. I have visual on the extraction zone. This is Pelican 1, preparing for touchdown.
Alright, so I'm looking at like the timer on my OBS and I've been recording for like 9 minutes. I'm probably going to chop off the first minute of this, so we've only been doing this video for like 8 minutes at this point. So that was like
I mean,
probably...
it will give us like a time we've been in the mission.
Yeah.
For.
So we haven't been doing this very many minutes at all. So this is a very quick process. We'll probably get all of the super credits we need for the next Warbond in like, you know, an hour tops at this rate. Because we got 40. The last one mission we got like 50. Before that it was 30. Just cruising right along. I wish it would tell you how many you got of like extra medals and extra bonus currency at the end of every mission, but no such luck.
But you can see in the corner we've been in there for 7 minutes, 31 seconds.
Give or take another minute's worth of load times and waiting for
Pretty
the
much
bird.
10 minutes.
So yeah, just about 10 minutes and you're in and out. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been Sheik, and we will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.
Welcome back, Helldivers.
Bye-bye.